you've got a pregnancy care center and you're looking for an affordable professional website for your business, you're definitely in the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the MultiSites platform to build a simple website for your pregnancy care center. If you haven't heard of MultiSites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week as well. We currently have over 900. If you don't quite see your market down below, make sure you drop us a message or leave a comment and let us know, and we'll make sure we add it. I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, pregnancy care center. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Put in our company name as well as our city and our state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world your care center is operating from. You can enjoy the MultiSite service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's click on continue and let MultiSites work its magic and generate a simple website for us. And there you have it. It's literally done so in a couple of seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of MultiSites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline. Of course, we pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality. As you can see, they're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website. Maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to that content that was pre-written for you. You can absolutely do so. It's super simple. You don't need to know any coding or be a web professional in any kind of way. And you certainly don't need to hire anyone for this either. You can literally do it all yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and show you, work my way from the top to the bottom and just make a few minor amendments so you can see how easy it is to use our platform. Let's get started and click on the first section at the top. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure it's visible on my website, so I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. Awesome. Let's pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way. And our address, our physical location, pop it in. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps. And update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Once you've done so, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. If you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames using our editor by clicking on that pencil over there over it. Click on save if you're happy, and here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Awesome. Now with MultiSites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. As you can see, if you'd like to change them to go with your branding a little bit better, click on that paint bucket bottom right hand corner, go through the various color palettes options available for you to use. Awesome. For each section, you want to make a little bit more personalized to your business. Click on update section directly underneath it. Head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device and upload your own images or search through that photo library. There's hundreds of free images to choose from. Otherwise, you do have the option to connect your Instagram accounts as well with a click of a button, automatically pull in all those Instagram photos. And update action is where you can change that button text on the call to action buttons, as you can see, as well as where the buttons link to. You can even link to another website if you wish to, if you take online bookings, perhaps through a third party. And you also have the option to upload a PDF file, which is one of my favorites. Maybe put your various rates and services in PDF format for your customers. In the last section, we have a lead generation form. Over here, your customers can easily reach out to you, and you can keep track of all your leads in your Multi dashboard. Now, with your website, we do recommend you have a custom domain. If you already have one registered, go ahead and click on the yellow button at the bottom, connect your domain to connect it. If you don't have one and you really want one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, and stand out from all your competitors, go ahead and click that button as well, because you can purchase a custom domain via our platform as well. Really hope this short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your pregnancy care center, and I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.